Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete a Facebook account. So it's pretty easy to delete a Facebook account. So let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, just tap scroll down and go to settings or privacy. Here, go to settings. And once you're there, go to Meta Account Center. And in here, go to personal details. From here, you will find the option of account ownership and control that says manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. So head over there and go to the activation or deletion section. It says temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. And here, select your Facebook account. Now change the option to deactivate to delete account. And it is saying that when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. So tap on continue. And it will just give you some help that before you delete, there might be help. So there are some reasons from which you can just choose. So let me just tap on this one and tap on continue. And tap on continue. And then you will be you have to give your password. And you will be able to delete your account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.